Hello folks! While Google has never been known for its abilities to keep unreleased products a secret, the mythical Pixel Watch might be about to break some sort of a record, leaking in all its glory more than a year ago without going official in the meantime. Google's Pixel Watch is a highly anticipated wearable and we've been hearing rumors about it since 2018. For what it's worth, fresh evidence unearthed by Evan Blass appears to suggest that Pixel Phone with wearOS 3.1 is finally right around the corner. If the OS mention was not enough to clue you in on the identity of this device, we should point out that Rowan has long been rumored as the internal codename of Google's first ever own-brand smartwatch. Of course, today's reveal means there is still a theoretical chance that Big G will end up adopting something else as the official marketing label for its bold, rookie attempt at rivaling the industry-leading Apple Watch lineup. Perhaps more importantly, we can now be almost certain that the Pixel Watch will usher in a new version of the Wear OS platform that's however unlikely to bring radical changes to the table compared to last year's 3.0 release. All of that makes perfect sense, as Google definitely needs some new software stuff to have the first-gen Pixel Watch grab as much attention as possible while having little left in the pipeline in terms of major improvements after joining forces with Samsung to relaunch Wear OS in a big way on the Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic. It remains to be seen now if a recent rumor of a delay to July could prove inaccurate, with Google already working on interactive tutorials for early Pixel Phone adopters. If that's the case, we might see the Pixel Watch formally unveiled at the start of the 2022 I/O conference on May 11th, with a commercial release, at least in limited numbers, then taking place by the end of the same month. A Google I/O teaser followed by a full announcement in July and an actual customer rollout later in the summer, or even as late as October, is still a possibility as well. But with someone as well connected, well informed and reliable as Evan Blass telling us it won't be long now, we can certainly afford to dream of a sooner rather than later launch. Past leaks and rumors, for example leaked marketing images from John Prosser, point to a circular bezel-less display with rounded edge and a single crown element on the side as the only hardware button. We've also come to expect a Samsung-made Exynos chip. Wear OS 3 will receive the most recent update to Google Assistant that will be able to understand voice queries and perform tasks while offline. This ability is currently only reserved for select Pixel smartphones. That should be an awesome feature to have, especially when you don't have or want to have connected smartphone to have fully functional smartwatch. Also, the recent release of the wearOS 3 emulator revealed that Google Assistant may look like the following image. Rather than take up the whole screen during a voice query, it would just show Google's quad colors at the bottom of the screen. So maybe it's actually happening this time. Will we finally see the long-awaited smartwatch from Google? I really hope so, but what do you think, guys? Let us know in the comment section below. Also share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel and good luck!